When they told me I had a large tumor in my brain, I was, initially I was dumbfounded. And then I found out it wasn't cancerous, so that was good. I didn't have to deal with that, so all I had to deal with was removing it, so.
When I met Mr. Chafe, he was about 10 months of facial paralysis after his tumor removal. And at that point, he had recovered, a little bit of eye movement, but really no meaningful smile. And so we discussed the various options that are available to him for facial reanimation surgery. Ultimately, he went for the second stage gracilis and had just a beautiful result. Part of that surgery was also to restore a contour deficit that he had on the right side of his face. For these surgeries, there's an art to it, and so it's not like kind of exactly the same gracilis muscle harvested for every patient. I contour the muscle and really to fit what's missing from the face and what can be restored. It's a delicate, often long surgeries, but for a very good reason. We're trying to restore facial function and symmetry, and so they're complex, but they're beautiful surgeries.
Really understanding where he was coming from and the impact that the facial paralysis had on him was something that I took really personally. So I think that he's one of these patients, and all of our patients are that way. Once you get to know their story, you really want to get them back to where they were. That if that is their goal, then we want to get them there. I think what sets us apart is our 360-degree approach to optimizing patient outcome. We singularly look at what we need to get to, and then we take every little step, whether it be nursing logistics or physical therapy or education, or just even preparing the patient's family, towards what to expect before and after surgery. Because I think that whole picture is what our team brings to the table in order to optimize. And the reason that we do that, I think, is because we're all so passionate and committed towards our patients.
All my doctors and just the whole, group has been amazing. Just talking on the phone and going to appointments and they've become part of my family. It's nice to have them, so.